Dear students of CBSE class 10, today we'll discuss chapter number 5, Minerals and Energy Resources from Geography section. Listen to the discussion till the end and try to solve the questions given at the end of the lecture. I am sure that it will help you to score high marks in the examination. This whole chapter has been divided into 10 topics. Total chapter, the gist has been brought into 10 topics. Let's start step by step. The first topic is, what is mineral? Before going to start this chapter, minerals and resources, we have to understand what is mineral. Geologists define mineral as a homogeneous, naturally occurring substance with a definable internal structure. So that is the definition of mineral. Now next, our topic is mode of occurrence of minerals. That means where are these minerals are found. So see, minerals are generally occur in these forms. Number one, in igneous and the metamorphic rocks. Minerals may occur in the cracks or crevices, faults or joints. In most cases, they are formed when minerals in liquid or molten or gaseous forms are forced upward through the cavities towards the Earth's surface. They cool and solidify as they rise up. Now, second, in sedimentary rocks, as the number of minerals deposition, accumulation, and the concentration in horizontal strata. It forms like coal and some other forms of iron ore have been concentrated as a result of long periods under great heat and pressure. Another group of sedimentary minerals include gypsum, potash salt and sodium salt, etc. Third, the occurrence is another mode of formation. It involves under the decomposition of surface rocks and the removal of the soluble constituents, leaving residential mass of weathered materials and contain ores and bauxite. It is the bauxite forming in this way. Now, next is topic number 3, ferrous minerals. Now, these minerals account for about 3/4 of the total value of the production of metallic minerals. They provide a strong base for the development of metallurgical industries. Number 1, it is iron ore. It is the basic mineral and the backbone of the industrial development. Magnetite is the finest ore with a very high content of iron, up to 70%. Hematite ore is the important industrial iron ore in terms of the quantity used. Number 2, manganese. It is mainly used in the manufacturing of steel and ferro-manganese alloy. It is also used in manufacturing bleaching powder and insecticides and the paints for painting. Now, number 4, that is non-ferrous minerals. So see that non-ferrous minerals. These minerals include copper, bauxite, lead, zinc and gold. It plays a vital role in a number of metallurgical, engineering and electrical industries. So number 1, this type is copper. India is critically deficient in the reserve and production of copper. It is a good conductor which is mainly used in electrical cables, electronics and the chemical industries. Number 2, bauxite. Bauxite deposits are formed by the decomposition of a wide variety of rocks rich in aluminium. Like silicates, aluminium is obtained from the bauxite. So next, go for the topic number 5, non-metallic minerals and rock minerals. So see that these non-metallic minerals. First of all, mica. It is one of the most indispensable minerals used in electric and electronic industries. Its deposits are found in the northern edge of the Chotanagpur Plateau, Gaya and Jharkhand, etc. These areas. And next is that is limestone. The limestone, it is the basic raw materials for the cement industry and essential for smelting the iron ore in the blast furnace. So next is our topic is number 6, conservation of minerals. Now, mineral conservation. Mineral resources require millions of years to be created and concentrated. They are limited and non-renewable, and therefore they must be conserved. Recycling of metals using scrap metals and other substitutes are steps towards the mineral conservation. Now, next topic number 7 is energy resources. What does it mean? Energy resources, energy is required for all activities such as cooking, propelling vehicles, driving machineries in industries, etc. Energy can be generated from fuel minerals like coal, petroleum, natural gas, uranium, and electricity. Energy resources can be classified as conventional and non-conventional source. So, number 7 discussion is over. Number 8, conventional resources of energy. Let's see. Conventional sources of energy. Number 1 is coal. Coal is the most abundantly available in India. India is highly dependent on coal for meeting its commercial energy requirements. Number 2, natural gas. It is considered an environment-friendly fuel because of low carbon dioxide emissions and is therefore the fuel of this present century. Next is petroleum. It provides fuel for that heat and lightning, and lubricants for machinery and raw materials is for a number of manufacturing industries it is using. Now, next is electricity, number 4. It is generated mainly in 2 ways: by hydro turbines to generate hydroelectric and by burning other fuels such as coal, petroleum, and natural gas to produce thermal power. Hydroelectricity is a renewable resource. Now, next point is non-conventional source of energy. See the non-conventional source of energy. Now, non-conventional source of energy like number 1, solar energy. India is a tropical country. It has enormous possibilities of the tapping solar energy. Next is wind power, another non-conventional source. India now ranks as a wind superpower in the world. The largest wind farm cluster is located in Tamil Nadu from Nagarcoil to Madurai. Apart from these, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Gujarat, Kerala, Maharashtra, and Lakshadweep have important wind farms. Next is, let's see, the non-conventional source of energy is biogas. So, shrubs, farm waste, animal and human waste are used to produce biogas for domestic consumption in rural areas. Decomposition of organic matters yields gas which has higher thermal efficiency. Next is tidal energy, number 4. Oceanic tides can be used to generate electricity. In India, the Gulf of Kutch provides ideal conditions for utilizing tidal energy. Next is number 5, geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is the heat that comes from the soft surface of the earth. There are several hundred hot springs in India which could be used to generate electricity. 2 experimental projects in India to harness the geothermal energy is located in the Parvati Valley near the Manikaram in Himachal Pradesh, and the other is located in the Puga Valley in Ladakh. So these are the 2 experimental source for our geothermal energy. And next point is conservation of energy resources, which is very important topic. Now here, every energy is a basic requirement for our economic development. There is an urgent need to develop a sustainable path of energy development. India is presently one of the least energy efficient countries in the world. A cautious approach should be adopted for our judicious use of our limited energy resources. Students, today's lecture is over. And the most important question from this chapter, number one, energy saved is energy produced, quotation. Assess the statement. Number two, what are some measures to conserve energy resources? Number three, why is there an urgent need to use non-conventional sources of energy in India? Number four, why does solar energy have a bright future in India? And number five, what are the main types of formation in which minerals occur? So, whole chapter I discussed. If you listen attentively, the gist of the chapter has been brought over here within these 10 topics, main topics. You will be able to write down the answer by yourself and it will help you to score high marks in the examination. Thanks a lot to watch till the end. Write your all doubts in the comment box so that I can help you more. Thanking you all.